Instead of playing in the ketchup, Riley's eating the ketchup. We're supposed to be doing art. How's that taste? Hi. Hi. There you go. Now you're playing. Now you're playing. Good job. Roxy's back for more. She knows where she'll get food. Hey, Riley. Alright, all done. No more for you. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Riley. Hi, Pumpkin. That Roxy, she's so funny, isn't she?